Welcome to today's afternoon activity. Today we're going to have another science activity. I'm very excited for this one. This is a favorite of mine. We are going to talk about force and the law of motion, which was discovered by Isaac Newton. And this law of motion talks about for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And we're going to experiment with that today by building a balloon rocket. Now force, what is force? Well, force is, for example, if I push this, I am exerting force with my hand. Can you see that on the table? And the reaction is that the straw moves. Here, I'll show you with this. This is a little bigger. So if I push this with my hand, I'm creating force with my hand. And the reaction is this rolls forward. Now, if you have a balloon, we're going to experiment with the force of air. Are you ready? Now, inside this balloon is air. And the balloon is keeping it in place. Now, what do you think will happen if I let go of this end? Where will the air go? Well, the force of the balloon will push the air out. It's going to come out this way, out the mouth. But then what's going to happen to the balloon? Will it stay in place? Let's see. Whoa. So what happened is as the air was pushed out of the balloon, it created a force, a reaction that pushed the balloon through the air. So as the balloon pushed the air out, the air then pushed the balloon forward, and that's force. So we are going to make a rocket with a string. You can see I have a string tied here from one chair to another. Now you can do this across a room if you have enough space at home, but I'm doing it across my chair so you can see it in the video. So you need string, and then you need a straw of some kind. Now I have paper straws. You might have a plastic straw you can cut into kind of a smaller piece. And then you need a balloon. Now a balloon that is this shape, can you see that? It's more of a long hot dog shape, works best. But if you have any balloon, will work. Okay, so I'm going to blow up my balloon. Oh, and you need tape. So I'm actually going to get my piece of tape ready. There we go. I have that right here. I'm going to stick it on my hand so it's ready to go. Okay, now I'm going to blow up my balloon. There we go. Now, this is my favorite thing to do. All right, now I'm going to bring my straw to one end of my string, and I'm going to tape my balloon to my straw, like that. Okay, now we're ready. So first, what do you think is going to happen when I let go of the mouth of the balloon? The balloon is going to push the air out, right? The force of this going back into its regular shape is going to push the air out. But then which way is the balloon going to go? That way. Opposite reaction, right? The force of the air pushing out is going to push the balloon that way. Are you ready? Here we go. What? That was fast. All right, let's do that again. It's a good thing I have two balloons because that tape kind of messed it up. Oh, I need scissors. Hold on. Scissors come in handy. All right. So now, let's see what happens if I don't blow the balloon up as big. Just a little bit, little tiny. Okay. All right, do you think it's going to go as far? Do you think it will go as fast? Will it have more force or less force than the first balloon? Let's see. Oh, it didn't make it all the way across. All right, so I have run out of balloons, but this is something that you can try at home. See how big of a balloon you can use. Stretch your string even farther. Mine's a very short distance, but we did this in the classroom one time, and we stretched the string all the way across the entire classroom. And we had a big balloon, and it just went all the way across the classroom. So experiment with your use of force. See how much air you can fit in there. Do a little bit of air, a lot of air, different shaped balloons. What happens? Yeah, all kinds of fun you can have with this. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoy this activity. I'd love to see some pictures or videos even of how you use this experiment on force and the law of motion. And I hope you have fun. All right, my friends, I'll see you later. Bye.